Excellency Dr. Mgbeke, Executive Governor of Katsina State. On behalf of the Chairman, Mr. Shehu Ping, and Ben 10 Equipment and partners, I wish to sincerely appreciate the Governor for entrusting us with the procurement of 3,000 electric motorcycles for distribution to teachers serving in rural communities across Katsina State. This boat intervention is not just a procurement exercise, it's a strategic investment in the future of education and rural development. For too long, access to quality education in many rural areas has been hindered by a simple but critical challenge: mobilities. Teachers often travel long distances to difficult terrain, sometimes at great personal cost, to reach their classrooms. This initiative, among many others by the governor, rather directly addresses the burden. The deployment of this electric motorcycle will significantly ease transportation challenges for rural teachers. It will improve punctuality, reduce fatigue, and ultimately enhance teaching effectiveness. When teachers can get to school safely, consistently, and with dignity, the quality of education naturally improves. Beyond education, this initiative carries broader implications for rural development. Mobility is a catalyst for economic and social growth. With these motorcycles, teachers become more connected to their communities, and it strengthens local economies, improves access to services, and fosters a more inclusive development process. Equally important is the choice of electric motorcycle. This reflects a forward-thinking approach aligned with global best practices in sustainability. It reduces dependence on fossil it decreases dependence on fossil fuel, lowers operational costs of beneficiaries, and contributes to a cleaner environment. It is in a clear statement that development and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. The chairman, Mr. Shehu Ping, we are committed to delivering not just machines but reliability, durability, and long-term value. We will ensure that these motorcycles meet the highest standards and are supported with appropriate maintenance framework to guarantee sustainability. This initiative sends a powerful message that rural teachers matters, that their welfare is a priority, and that education remains at the heart of meaningful development. Once again, we commend His Excellency Governor Diko Umar Rada for his visionary step. We are proud to be partners in this journey and remain committed to supporting initiatives that uplift communities and strengthen the foundation of our society. Thank you.
Fire service in